This case usually happens on the street. Switzerland are always looking for the victims that are in caution and have valuable items such as mobile phone, laptop. One of my friends has been through in this situation. She told me that she was talking on the phone at the BTS station and she was holding a laptop. Suddenly, there was a poor woman wearing ragged coat walking to her and talked to her that I don't have any money for going home. My home is in the country and I only have a Buddha amulet. If I sell it, I will get a very good price. Can you take me to the Buddha amulet shop for me to sell it? She really felt poor for her and wanted to help her. Suddenly, there was the poor-looking woman come to her and said that, "Oh, poor her, help her. We will take you there." Then, three of them took the taxi to Samrong to find the shop. When they were in the taxi, the two Switzerland tried to persuade her to believe them. After that, three of them got out of the taxi and the poor-looking one said, "You should go to the shop. We will wait for you here at the bus stop because we don't know the direction and I will stay with this lady." And then they also asked her that, "Do you have any insurance to let us trust you that you won't sell it and keep the money and go away because it's cost 300,000 baht?" The victim left them a mobile phone and the laptop, and she was looking for the shop for 5 minutes, but she didn't find it. And then she get back to the Switzerland, but it turned out that they were gone already. How? First, the Switzerland are looking for the victims that are in caution and have a valuable items and come alone. Second, Switzerland tell a victim that they don't have money to go home, but they have only a Buddha amulet, but they don't know where to sell it. Third, this is going to be another Switzerland come to join the conversation. Advice and opinion. First, don't talk with the strangers. Second, if you already talk with the stranger, you must take them to the police for help. Third, be careful with the valuable item and always keep them in sight. Thank you.